Hello everyone, it's Beck here from Heather. My name is Beck, popping in today to show you this project share. It's a mini Happy Mail for Lee. She is a member of the Happy Mailers group that I am running over on Facebook. If you want to join the Happy Mailers group, you're more than welcome to. You can either leave a comment below and I will send you the link, or you can look up Happy Mailers on Facebook. So I copied this, or I replicated this Happy Mail from Dani. So she's another member of the group and she sent me a mail very similar to this recently. I don't know whether you saw my incoming mail video recently back in March. But Dani created, it's like a miniature but long flip book. So I've created this using Dani's mail to me. So all I did was replicate it. I looked at what she'd created and how she'd created it, and then I replicated it. These are the new Prima papers that I have been using. Is it My Sweet? I think it's My Sweet is the name of the papers. And I've just included lots and lots of vintage items, or not, they're not real vintage, but they're AliExpress vintage looking items. I know that Lee is an artist and she likes to combine things together, so I'm hoping she'll be able to combine all of these goodies together in a collage or in her own Happy Mail, or even in her own junk journals, because she is a junk journaler. So I'm just folding all of that up so that I can show you on the back. So those 2 pages there, they're just literally plain paper, or it's the actual pattern paper, but it's just plain, no pockets. And then this one here has a diagonal pocket with her letter in. I've just decorated it there with a stamp. And so yeah, I sent a nice long letter, I think. I hope she enjoyed it. And all the goodies that I've sent, like the little vellum pieces. And I can't remember what I put in that envelope there, but I popped something in that envelope with that little tiny wax seal on, which matched the papers. And then I have used Dani's design to for the seal, just actually using some twine to wrap around the actual book to hold it closed. And she's got an eyelet on that back page, which is the same as what I did. So thank you, Dani, for the inspiration. I'm not sure if you were inspired to create yours from someone else, but I really love the way that this turned out for Lee, and I'm hoping she really liked it too. So thank you so much for being with me, guys. If you could give this video a thumbs up and a comment. I would love to know what you think of the mail and if you like miniature mails yourself. So leave me a comment below and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks guys, see you, bye.